Hi everyone. So here is a quick demo with ChatGPT to check if the existing code what you have in Selenium Java have any errors or not. Okay. So I have created this test project and this is my simple code. So it will basically open the browser, that is Firefox. It will hit this particular URL, that is sjinnovation.com, and it will fetches the page title. It will print it on a console first and it will do the assertion for the same, and finally it will close the browser, right? So let's just run this code. Let's see if it works. So browser is open, URL is hit. So this is the page title. Okay, it will simply fetch and it will do the assertion. So great, my test case got passed. Okay, so what if I just simply remove this line of code? Okay, so obviously it will open the browser but it won't hit any URL, and due to which my entire test script will fail, right? So let's see what ChatGPT has to say about this. So just simply copy this and paste it in ChatGPT. So it will generate the response for this code, as you can see. So let's ask what is the error in my code, right? Let's see if ChatGPT identifies. Yes, great. It simply identifies and gives the exact code which is missing and which needs to enter. So as you can see, either driver.get or driver.navigate to these two commands we can use. So this is exactly I have removed from my code. Yes, driver.get. Thank you.